maliwanag para sa akin, maliwanag na para sa akin, may tinago, may usapan sila na tinago nila sa taong bayan. Number one. Okay, that's why I say the first question that I have is clear. So now we need to know, what did you agree to? What did you compromise? Ano yung pinamigay ninyo? Bakit nagagalit sa atin ang mga kaibigan natin sa China dahil hindi kami sumusunod? Ano yung dapat namin gawin? Anong laman ng secret agreement na yan? At pangatlo, bakit secret? Pagka masagot natin yung tatlong yan, magiging mas maliwanag yung issue. Hindi ko nga maintindihan, very experienced lawyer si President Duterte. Ang abogado, lahat gusto nila nakasulat lahat yan. Bakit walang nakasulat na kahit isang papel? Bakit walang video? Bakit walang announcement? Nothing. Bakit hindi nila sinabi, kung gusto nila isikreto, bakit hindi nila sinabi sa amin nung kami pumasok? Sabihin, meron kaming usapan, dapat sundan natin. And for whatever reason, huwag mong sasabihin sa taong bayan. And that's my third question. Why is it secret? Why is it secret? Because don't tell me it was just an oversight na hindi nasulat. Deliberate yung hindi sinulat. Deliberate yun. It was decided in the last administration that we will not record this. It was decided in the last administration we will not announce it to the Filipino people. Therefore, it is a secret agreement. So, you should, can you please, I ask members of all our media, can you go to the former officials in the Duterte administration and ask them who were the cabinet secretaries, who knows about this? What was the process that happened? Paano nangyari ito? Kung talagang nangyari. Kasi sa akin, in my mind, meron talaga silang secret na patago na usapan.